Making the decision to apply to an MBA program is an exciting next step. The application process, though, can feel overwhelming, but each step is an opportunity to tell your story, where you've been, where you want to go. But I also want to provide some important tips for you to keep in mind as you begin your application journey. First, I want you to do some self-reflecting and to think about your accomplishments and your achievements, but also how this experience will help you continue growth academically as well as professionally. Next is preparing your material as early as possible. If you haven't started this process yet, it is important that you identify recommendations and please give them advance notice. Next is telling your story. Our goal statement and impact essay gives you the opportunity to elaborate further on where you want to be, how you see yourself making an impact in our community, as well as an impact around the world. And last is doing your due diligence to find the right fit. We encourage you to attend various events that we have connecting with our current students or our alums to find the program that's the best fit. A successful application is within reach. It's time to turn your ambition into impact.